Hello mga kababayan, so it's Anna again. Ito naman po ang aking nabili sa Target with my coupons. Ang una kong binili ay ang Playtex sports pads, tsaka itong ice cream toppings. Parang gustong-gusto ko itong toppings na to, so bumili ako kasi na-sale siya. Ang cost niya ay $8.99, $1.89, and then meron akong coupon from Target Summer Savings na $1 off. Yan. So, gamitin mo siya, i-less na dyan ng $1. So, magiging 89 cents na lang. And then, meron din akong 55 cents na manufacturer coupon na galing sa coupons.com. So, 89 cents minus 55 cents, 34 cents na lang siya. And masaya ako dyan dahil favorite ko yan. And then, dito naman sa ating Playtex Sports Pad, $3.99 each. Yeah, that's $3.99 each. Bumili ako ng 6. So, total niya is $23.94 sa 6. And then, I received $10 gift card. Kasi pag bumili ka ng 3, bibigyan ka nila ng $5 gift card. So, bumili ako ng 6. They gave me back $10 gift card. And then, meron din akong coupon. Ito. From coupons.com. It says buy one, get one. So, pag bumili ka ng isa, yung isa is free. And the value is up to $7.99. And what's cool about it, nung unang niscan siya, 3 coupons ang ginamit ko. So, $7.99 yung dalawa. Then yung pangatlo, $3 na lang na less. But it's okay kasi money maker pa rin naman siya. So, after all the coupons and everything, ang grand total ng 7 items na ito is $5.30 plus $1.21 na tax. So, that's $6.51. I pay that. I give them cash. And then, they gave me back a gift card. $10 gift card. So, that's cool because $6 something lang binayaran ko and then I received $10 gift card. So, ang sumunod ko naman, at saka, dito pala, nakita ko to na bonus freeze for fitted super soft tee. See, yan, t-shirt na free kapag bumili ka ng 2. So, bumili ako ng 6. I don't know, hindi ko pa na-check inside kung paano i-claim yung free na t-shirt. And then, ito naman, ang second transaction ko, bumili ako ng 4 na apple juice. Karina loves apple juice, kaya nag-stock up na ako niyan. So, 4. Price niya is $1.66. And then, meron siyang cartwheel. 10% off cartwheel. So, naging $1.49 bawat isa. So, bumili ako ng 4. And then, bumili din ako ng 4 na banana boat lotion. Pag bumili ka ng 2, bibigyan ka nila ng $5. So, I will get back $10 gift card for this. So, ayan, bumili ako niyan. So, after all these 8 items, ito pala yung mga coupons ko. So, meron akong coupons dito sa Mott. $1 off. Pag bumili ka ng 2, I think na sa insert ito last week. I'm not sure kung anong insert, pero $1 off pag bumili ka ng 2. So, I used that. 2 yan. And then, meron din ito, $4 off kapag bumili ka ng 2 sa banana boat lotion sa coupons.com. So, gumamit din ako ng 2 yan. So, that's less $4, $8. So, after all the coupons and everything, ang grand total ko sa 8 item na yan is $15.92. And the tax is 87 cents, so that's $16.79. And then remember, dun sa Playtex, I received $10 gift card. So, ginamit ko siya dito. There, $5 and $5. And then, yung $2.26 na to is yung natira ko pa siya nung last week sa gift card ko. So, my cash payment is $10. And then, they give me back $5.47. So, my out-of-pocket on that one is $10. Wait, I have my calculator here. Pretty cool, huh? So, minus 5. So, $4.53 ang out-of-pocket ko for these 8 items. And then, sumunod naman, bumili ako ng ito, I love this Neutrogena. So, I grabbed those kasi favorite ko yan, sunblock. Especially now na summer, I need a lot of those. So, bumili ako ng sunblock and then ng M&M's. Ang M&M's is okay. M&M's are $2.19. No, $2.69 each. So, $2.69 each. That's $5.31. Then, meron akong Target coupon. When you buy 2, there's a $1 off from Target.com. So, my total for that one is $4.38. And then, dito na punta yung isa ito. $1.50 off when you buy 2. Galing naman to sa newspaper. Sa insert. I'm not sure. I think this week to na insert. $1.50 off. So, that's 4.38 minus 150. So, $2.88 para sa dalawang to. I don't know if that's a very good deal, but anyway, that's okay for me. And then the Neutrogena sunblock, it's $7.99 each. I have a coupon, $1 off from the insert. Pasensya na, hindi ko na pumalala kung anong insert siya. Pero I'm pretty sure na galing siya sa newspaper. So, bumili ako ng dalawa niyan, less $2. $1 each coupon. And then, when you buy 2, you will receive $5 gift card. So, my total is, oh, my cartwheel din pala siya, so that's less, $1.60 pag bumili ka ng Neutrogena product. So, my total for this is $14.38. And my total for this 4 items is $15.26, 26 plus $82. 82 cents tax, so that's $16.08. So, and then I pay it with remember yung na-receive ko na dalawang $5 gift card sa Banana Boat. Yun ang binayad ko sa kanya. Binayad ko, so that's less. So, I give $7 cash payment. So, yeah. So, yun. $7. Give me change. Yeah. So, $6 ang out of pocket ko para dito. Okay? And imagine, this is $7.99 already. Pag bibilin mo siya ng walang coupons and everything, $7.99 na siya. But, I got this for out of pocket set $6.0608 ang aking out of pocket. So, yun. And then, meron pa akong $5 na gift card dyan na na-receive from this. Yeah, I think that $5 gift card, bumili ulit ako nito ng another M&M's. But I cannot find that receipt anymore. So, yeah, bumili din ako niyan, tsaka other groceries like bread. And then, meron, yeah, I think bumili akong bread, tsaka, yeah. So, that's it. I hope you enjoy my mini videos. Just a heads up, hindi po ako extreme couponer. Binibili ko lang po kung ano yung mga magagamit namin, ang family ko. especially yung mga gusto namin, mga talagang gusto namin, like apple juice ng anak ko, because she likes apple juice. Then lotion, obviously, we need lotions, and I love this SPF Neutrogena. And then yung Playtex, I can send those to the Philippines, and like that. So, just a heads up, hindi po ako extreme couponer. Kung ano man po yung deal na ginagawa ko is just by kung ano lang yung I feel comfortable to do it. So, don't judge me kung hindi man po ganun ka-awesome yung mga deal na pinopost ko. Just to let you know kung paano ko po ginagawa yung pag-coupon. So, thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed the video.